Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 27,450. If you have watched my video, you must have been buy because I have advised buy above our resistance yesterday. It has crossed our resistance and continuing its positive run. Let's have a look at resistance and support today, then we will assess what is the trend in market. Dow Jones support stands at 27,250. Dow Jones resistance at 27,600. Currently Dow Jones is trading in positive zone, so I will not recommend any sell. Risky trader can initiate a buy with stop loss of 27,250 for target of 27,650 and 900. Safe trader should wait in Dow Jones. Once market break 27,250, you can initiate a sell with stop loss of 27,500 for target of 27,000 and 26,800. Now let's move on to S&P. This is S&P chart. Our resistance was 3303 and it had made high around 3331. So if you have bought yesterday, you must be in profit around 27 points. Currently trading 3320. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Support stands at 3300. Resistance stands at 3342. Risky trader can initiate a buy with stop loss of 3299 for target of 3340, 3360. Safe trader should wait S&P to break 3300. Once S&P break 3300, you can initiate a sell with stop loss of 3322 for target of 3280. Currently both of indices are in positive zone. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently Nasdaq is trading 11,160. It had made high around 238. Currently trading 165. Now let's move on to resistance and support. Support stands at 11,080. Nasdaq resistance at 11,300. Currently even Nasdaq is trading in positive zone, but if risky trader want, they can initiate a buy with 100 point stop loss for target of 300 and 400. Safe trader should wait in Nasdaq. Once Nasdaq breaks support of 11,080 and manage to sustain at least 30 to 60 minutes below that level, you can initiate a sell with stop loss of 11,300 for target of 10,800 and 500. Now let's move on to commodities. This is gold chart. Currently gold is trading 1881.82. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Gold support stands at $1868. Gold resistance would be $1900. If market break 1868 and sustain below that level, then expect gold to crash up to 1850 and 1840. If gold break 1900 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect gold price to test around 1920 and 1940. Currently gold trading in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. But if you are holding any sell, then make sure you do not hold above 1900. Now let's move on to crude oil prices. This is crude oil chart. Currently approaching almost $40. Let's have a look at resistance and support. This is WTI crude oil, also known as US crude oil. Crude oil support stands at 39.20. Resistance at $40.60. Currently crude oil is trading in positive zone, so avoid selling it. If anyone is already in buying, then they should be keeping a stop loss of 39.20. Risky trader can also initiate a buy with stop loss of 39.20. Now let's have a look at euro, then we will see Bitcoin. This is euro chart. Currently trading 1690. It has entered in positive zone. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Euro support stands at 1650 now. Euro resistance would be 1720. Currently euro is trading in positive zone, so I will not recommend any sell. So avoid selling it. If you have already bought, then you should make a stop loss of 1650 or 1640 maximum. Now let's have a look at Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart, currently trading 10,500. It is just approaching the positive zone. Let's have a look at resistance support. Resistance stands at 10,600. Bitcoin support at 10,380. Risky trader can initiate a sell with stop loss of 10,620 for target of 10,300 and 100. Safe trader should wait in Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin break 10,600, you can initiate a buy with stop loss of 380 for target of 10,900 and 11,200. I usually update live on my Telegram channel, so if you have not joined my Telegram channel, you should do it right away. I have given link in description. If Telegram is banned in your country, you can also join me on Twitter. I have given my Twitter account link in description. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want regular update, consider subscribing it. And if you want to get my buy and sell signals, you can WhatsApp me. I have given my number in description. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.